What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. We're going all the way back to beginners. How do I get traffic to my offers? What do I do? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. So it's actually really simple. Okay, when I say simple, the process is very simple, but there's a lot of moving parts too. So let me show you really quick, all right? So right here we have YouTube. Okay? We have YouTube, we have Facebook, okay, and I'm going to talk about every single one of these. We have Instagram, IG, and let's just say Google, okay? There's Google. Every single one of these is going to what I call a landing page or an opt-in page, okay? Or a squeeze page. We'll just put LP for a landing page. If you don't know what a landing page looks like, you can click on one of the links down in the description box below and you will see, for example, I'll put a link to 15 passive income streams. That is a landing page. Let me show you what it looks like. So here is my landing page called 15 Profitable Online Passive Income Streams. You can click this button and you can put in your name and email address and you will get the guide. Now, let me explain something. That is the landing page. I'm sending traffic from YouTube or from Facebook, Instagram, or from Google to that landing page. Looks like that. Here's the reason why. Because when it comes to affiliate marketing, here's where most people struggle. Most people are going to send their traffic, let's say from YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, Google, wherever, to their affiliate offer. Okay? So their affiliate, okay, offer. Here's the reason why this is wrong. Because once you do this, what ends up happening is that you send the traffic, you send them to that affiliate offer, and then you lose them. What if they never buy? That's the problem, is you lose them forever. But if you send them to from YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, or Google to your landing page, you collect their email address. What ends up happening is now you have the email address. So if they decide they like your guide, they love it, then from here you send them to an email sequence, okay, or a campaign, an automation, a follow-up, whatever. So email, okay, you just write that in really quick. Email. What ends up happening here is now you have their email address. You can send them one email, 2, 3, 4, 5, all promoting this exact same affiliate offer. That's the difference between people that are making money doing affiliate marketing and people that are struggling. People that are struggling send traffic directly to that affiliate offer. People that are making money and consistent money. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing for 12 years now, 13 years, something like that, 12, 13 years, whatever it is. And I can tell you that I would not be able to continue to do this if I was sending traffic directly to affiliate offers, even to this point. Back in 2006, 2007, whenever I was doing it, whenever I started, I could do this and I was very successful. However, I wasn't as successful, and you won't be, have consistent money coming in if you do this. You need to go this route. Because here's something else that you probably don't know. This page right here, if you've never opted into it, if you haven't, you can go try it out, you can go check it out, whatever. And these will actually help you out, okay? They actually do work. But here's something that you probably have never seen. So right here, this is actually through ClickFunnels. You can see it up here in the corner. So that's where I created this. But I have my landing page right here, so you can see right here. But I also have an upsell right here, okay? And that's what this is. It's a $7 mini course. It's called Passive Income for Entrepreneurs. It's a $7 course. You can click here, you can get it, and then it takes you to the order form, then the order confirmation, then gives you a login page right here and gives you the membership, okay? That's all it is. Now, the best part about this is what you don't see here is if somebody opts into that landing page, I will send them to a thank you page right here. Okay, so thank you or upsell. I'll just write upsell. Okay, upsell. Okay, either one. And then from there, I send them to that email sequence. So either way, they're still getting the emails, and either way, they're still being shown that affiliate offer. The only difference is I'm taking them a roundabout way. Here's the cool thing about this is now you have their email. This is the biggest thing that I try to explain to people. An email address is worth more than just $1, $2, okay? It's worth a lot of money, okay? And if you collect it the right way, if you give them something that they can actually use, benefit from, which I'm doing right here, and I'm not going to try to sell people that I get to this page. I'm not going to try to sell them on, making money by working at Walmart and McDonald's, because that's not passive income. That's not online either. And is it very profitable? Probably not. Okay, so I'm going to look for profitable online passive income streams and then give them recommendations. If that means I'm selling a course, let's say so one of the things I do promote here is talking about selling courses. Okay, and so I could recommend Teachable. Okay, I could recommend Teachable. I could recommend ClickFunnels. I could recommend, I'm not going to write the whole thing. I could recommend solo ads. That's something else that I use. Okay, I could recommend, maybe there's a Facebook course I highly recommend. I don't have a Facebook course that I personally created, so I'd recommend one. That would be an affiliate. Okay, there you go, affiliate. Sorry about my drawing. Anyway, but that's the whole point here. If you want to become an actual affiliate marketer, someone that's making money, do it the right way. Create a landing page or an opt-in page or a squeeze page, whatever you want to call it. Create one. Get people over to this page, put in their email address, upsell them on something. Okay. Maybe it's a course, maybe it's a product you have, maybe it's an item, maybe it's just, you can give them some discount, whatever it is, okay? Or they don't want to see it, no thanks, but show me more on creating passive income. And then right here I send them to my YouTube channel, which you're watching now, okay? And all that is done through ClickFunnels. If you want to try out ClickFunnels, I'll put I think it's like a 14-day free trial. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. You can check that out. Yes, that is an affiliate link, okay? That's just, example of affiliate marketing. So, this is the cool part, okay? Now, here's what I want you to understand. This is where most people struggle. Is anybody can create a landing page. Okay, anybody can. It's not that difficult. I did it. Okay, and if you have ClickFunnels, you can get this exact same thing. Okay, so if you want this exact same layout and this converts really well, I'll put a share funnel so you can go and get it. Again, the share funnel to this, you can get this exact same one, okay, just how it is right here, and I'll put that in the description box below as well. Okay, let me help you out. Let me give you something else. So here's the other thing I want to show you, okay? So I'll put a link to this as well. If you want to get affiliate marketing monsters, I'll put a link to this. 50% off, okay? Takes it down, I think, to $149. It's normally a $299 course. Takes it down to $149. Go check it out. The best part about affiliate marketing monsters is that I cover a bunch of stuff. I cover, how to get traffic on YouTube, how to get traffic using Instagram, how to get traffic from blog posts, how to get traffic from Facebook groups, all this stuff that most people don't talk about. They talk about affiliate marketing, how you get a link. Okay, I talk to you about that. I show you some of the best affiliate networks to join. Okay, so I show you what those are. I show you what I'm doing myself. Talk about paid traffic. Okay, talk about free traffic. I talk about ways to get people from their house, their wherever, to click on your link to buy your product or buy the product you're recommending or course or service or whatever it is, so you make a commission. That's 50% off. So make sure you use the link down in the description box below, or else you're not going to get it. Okay, you can come here and again go click on that link, and you can come here. You can see what it's all about, what's inside of it. Okay, bonuses. You can keep coming down here, see the curriculum. Okay, and you can see. Okay, you can see how to 10x your affiliate income and how to get people to almost beg you to click on their link or click on your link. They want to click on your link. They want to buy from you, but I show you how to get them to do it. And the big part, email marketing mastery, right here. How do you get subscribers? Okay, I showed you a little bit right here, but there's more to it. There's more that you need to see. There's more that you need to really dive into, learn, experience, and master if you want to become successful with affiliate marketing. So if you guys have any questions on affiliate marketing, whether it's beginner, intermediate, advanced stuff, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. One thing you need to understand when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a lot of things you can promote, a lot of ways you can make money, but you need to start with one. Don't pick 20 different products and items and services and courses to try to promote. Pick one thing, master it, and then duplicate that exact process. That's what I talked to you about inside the Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. Go check it out if you want to. Like I said, it is 50% off as long as you use the link down in the description box below. So go check it out. If you enjoyed today's video, you want more videos on affiliate marketing, I know I haven't been doing a lot of them, but if you want more, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I'll start doing more. Make sure you subscribe today, and I'll see you guys on the next one.